Hello, friends. Today we are trading with my trading bot again. Let's go straight to it and get the first signal. The signal is down. Let's see the result. As we can see, our first trade closes in the plus, so it's time to move on to the second signal. Our second signal is also down, and let's look at the result. Our second trade closes in zero, it happens. The main thing is that it is not in the minus. We move on to the next signal, and the signal is up. Let's watch the result. And yes, friends, our next trade closes in the plus. Let's not waste time and move on to the next signal. The down signal, and let's watch the result. The trade closes plus again, and we continue trading. Now I will find a trading pair and open a trade down. Let's watch the result. The trade closes at 0. Like I said, it happens. The most important thing is that it's not in the negative. Let's open one more trade, and that's the end of our trading session. The signal is up. Let's see the result. The trade closes positive again. If you want to trade with my bot, go to Telegram channel and start trading right now. Thanks for watching. See you soon.